really got me thinking, it got the imagination going about some kind of an ultimate large-scale setup, all-in-one TV/monitor that can do it all. And I know you're thinking, that's sort of crazy, Lou. What are you talking about? That's 48 inches. That's big for a computer monitor. Well, for years, I was using a 42-inch LED monitor. The problem with it, well, it wasn't really a problem. It worked great. I like having a really big monitor. The difference here is that this one has OLED. The cool black color, as they say it, OLED individually, light pixels, so they can turn off completely, right? So you can get that really pitch black look. So it's great as a TV, but most people with TVs, they might go larger than 48. You might go 55, 65. But those are impossible as monitors. So I was thinking, this 48 could be a kind of on there. Some gaming, some productivity. Or may even like to use something like this for the color correction because the OLEDs are so nice to look at. Color perspective. We've got a bunch of stuff on the desk here to try to create a makeshift desktop setup, kind of an ultimate student setup. Now I realize the price tag associated with this, but it's an ultimate idea, so we can just have a little bit of fun with it. So start with the OLED display. I've got a laptop from a recent video that I'm going to use as sort of the brain for this particular setup. I believe it's a 27. It might be a 28. I think it's something to their flavor. And then I have a keyboard and a mouse, and I even have a PlayStation 4. Although this display would be a perfect fit for the PlayStation 5 coming out soon. Of course, native 4K baby, higher frame rate, all the rest of it. I see the G-Sync logo on the box. Again, with your NVIDIA graphics cards, it's going to pair up really well. But it's also got a bunch of parts built in with your Netflix, Disney Plus, and everything else. And if you're pumping in older formats or lower resolution formats, 1080p, then you have the new processor in there as well to upscale to 4K. That's plenty of pixels. So this is going to be fun. We're going to get it all connected and maybe have a sort of an ultimate setup that I'm not going to want to leave. Maybe I'll sit right here. I don't know. If I talk, why am I going to chair? Remove some things. Let's crack it. First things first, we have the stand. So this is the base with a little bit, what looks like a little bit of cable management right there. Another reason why I think it makes a lot of sense to involve in one multimedia display, maybe you only have one display in your apartment and you wanted to do everything, is because it apparently has low input lag as well for gaming, which a lot of TVs don't have great game modes. And you suffer inside the game with the feedback from the controller or even keyboard and mouse. This one, on the other hand, can do as well. Magic controller, that's 4 separate 4K 120 versions. I'll take it. And you also have USB as well. 2 USBs here, 1 USB over here. And then you have an Ethernet jack. You have the breakout for analog TV and audio out, which you may or may not know. And that's kind of a look to it. What do you think we feel some plastic? I'm not ready for it. Oh, we can't really do from all the way over there. We can't really do all the way over there. Couldn't help himself. Big, huge smile on his face.
An oddly
Yeah,
silent.
well, at the beginning, there was a bit of a bubbly to it. And at the very end, there was a... One of the ones where if you recorded it and then you played it back much louder, it would be like the lowering of an aircraft in Star Wars.
Somehow I do.
I did pick up some other things before we looked at this glorious display, which I'm sure is going to be glorious. I got a keyboard and a mouse for our portable setup to see if we have a laptop powerful enough. Like I said, with the 2070 graphics, to power all this stuff, no problem. But then we can pop up a power cable, and I don't know, when people go to class these days, maybe you need to take the laptop to go, and then you power, and then you got the console. But if you're using the laptop in a dock sort of setup, then you want the keyboard mouse setup for the glorious display. So I picked up a couple of recent arrivals. The Keychron one is very slim and sleek. Mechanical keyboard, low profile, 48% thinner. In fact, low profile mechanical switches makes this the world's thinnest mechanical keyboard. Ladies and gentlemen, world's thinnest mechanical. This is the world's thinnest mechanical keyboard on a laptop. Of course, we need to have the world's thinnest mechanical keyboard not on a laptop. The world's thinnest mechanical keyboard on a laptop. Then you know very factory fresh. USB Type-C 5-volt 1 amp. We have Bluetooth off or cables. You can use wireless or wired. Windows, Android, Mac, or iOS. The quick brown box. It's a quick brown box, I'll tell you what. And then to also bring to the party, this guy arrived, the Zephyr. Very lightweight. That's the trend these days, Kirk. I don't know if you knew this.
Mm-hmm.
No, you didn't know that.
No, I knew that.
Not to the extent. It's about the lightweight now, so you're flying in the games. 16,000 DPI, physical cooling system, 68 grams, 50 million clicks, and a geometric shell. Very nice. Like this is the white version in front of us right now. Look at how cool that thing looks. Once again, a kind of braided cable to go with it. But that, look at us. Do we have are we getting set up? Is there a setup happening? I believe it does have active cooling. That's right. Yeah, look at that. There's a fan in there. Because you get hot. The long session, the gaming, the streaming, and the hand is planted on the mouse. Maybe it's just sending video, or maybe you're browsing around. You got a cool down hand, getting gross.
买了那个取暖器之后，我要来加灯油嘛，然后我现在来到加油站，然后拿上我的这个买的灯油的桶，然后这些纸板箱是因为我周一要去换那个把轮胎装进去的，装那个行李箱里面，然后换那个雪胎嘛，所以就为了防止行李箱弄太脏，准备了一些纸板箱来防止轮胎跟内饰接触。然后他说那个灯油的那个地方在那个红房子右边，然后现在去加一下。然后他这边是自己加油嘛，然后就18升，我看有些地方是卖20升的，但是这边好像是18升。然后这边屏幕上面让我把卡放进去 ，Costco 的卡，不知道它价格是怎么样。哦，可以了。ポイントカードをお持ちですか？ポイントカード。T ポイント。不知道它。哦，它可以用手机的 App 来积分哎。等一下哦。 D point，它这边有个扫二维码的地方，然后把卡变大之后，哦，有读到哦。哦，它可以加20升哎，我们就加20升好了。不要用那个 point。这里是 capo key， 然后这边是ノズル，这边是它那个加油枪，然后它的加油中。反正就一直按着，反正就这个桶是20升的嘛，就可以一直加满为止。然后这边是显示你加了多少油，然后这一些注意事项啊什么的。啊，这我第一次自己加灯油诶。然后后面还有人在等着，快点加完，快点走。然后这边就加了20升，它自己自动跳枪了。刚才因为沙太深，撤。然后刚才因为加油的时候插太深，它还17升多的时候跳了一次枪。我才知道它原来是这么会跳枪的。然后这个是它的小票，多少钱这样子？它这个比那个 Home Center 那边卖便宜啊。Home Center 它要20升的话，它要2000日元左右，还是有点重。成年男性都有点吃力，那何况那些老弱，还有女生，如果想要加的话，也挺吃力。好，现在回家，到家喽，回家。拿上我的油，哇，这个感觉20乘以0.8，16公斤，还是有点重。回家。哦，开门。然后这边就是我的雪胎，现在要把它搬上车去。
Look at me! Would you believe it? Would you believe it? Popular for those who do day trading with the stocks when it's like big expansion, the eyebrow muscle, it's all tight. Now I have super crystal clear text because of OLED. Like the contrast is incredible. As you can see over here, this could be reading comments in a language I don't even understand. And then, of course, you could hook up a game console, as I have here. Now, this is a PlayStation 4, so we're going to check out some upscaling capabilities, and we're going to play a classic right now. So let me go ahead and boot this up. And just like that, it knew it was a game, it went to the game mode. Just installed the classic remastered Tomahawk Pro Skater 1+2. We were just talking about what a classic the game was, but also the soundtrack. Now, unfortunately, I can't share the soundtrack with you, as you're aware here on YouTube. The speakers, that's another thing I didn't even think about. If you have a setup like this, the speakers on a larger format display are typically a lot better than what you would have on a computer monitor. But that's a serious point. You have the advantage of having speakers that are pretty powerful hidden away in the base of the television. That's crazy. I was a kid.
嘿嘿，嘿嘿嘿嘿嘿嘿。这边很热哦，然后这边就完全就不会热，就说周围的东西就不会有引燃的危险嘛。嘿嘿，感觉很棒。